Assembling the 3-leg height-adjustable desk by UPLIFT Desk is a breeze. We're going to walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. Unbox all of your desk components and lay them out in front of you. You may find that assembling the desk on a higher work surface will speed up the process. The first thing we'll do is place one of the legs on the edge of a table with the large end hanging off the edge and with the connecting cord hanging down. Now, hang a crossbar end on the top of the leg as shown. Make sure that the mounting tab faces outward. Start hand threading the medium Allen head machine screws into the holes on the crossbar ends. Rotate them only a few times with the Allen wrench, but don't fully tighten just yet. Make sure you do this for both sides. Take one of the 2 side brackets and place it on top of the leg assembly as shown. Insert and hand tighten 4 more of the medium Allen head machine screws. After all screws are in place, tighten them down with the Allen wrench. Now flip the leg over, place a long foot on the leg assembly, insert 4 medium Allen head machine screws, and tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Now repeat these same steps for the second leg. Next, take 5 adhesive pads and stick them to the side brackets and crossbar ends like you see here. On to the third leg. Hang the remaining leg on the edge of your table and hang a crossbar end on it with the mounting tab facing out, just like before. Insert 2 of the medium Allen head machine screws on the right side of the crossbar and rotate them a few turns with the Allen wrench. Next, assemble the corner crossbar end on the left side of the leg using the longer Allen head machine screws, making sure the longer side of the crossbar end fits along the outer part of the leg. Lastly, place the corner bracket on top as shown and hand tighten 2 more of the long Allen head machine screws and rotate them a few turns with the Allen wrench. Now go back and tighten all of the screws. We're almost done with the third leg assembly. At this point, your third leg should look like this. Now let's stick the remaining adhesive pads to the corner bracket and crossbar ends. Now flip the leg over and attach the small foot on the end of the leg using 4 medium Allen head machine screws. We're finally ready to create our desk frame. Grab one of the first 2 leg assemblies we made, as well as 1 crossbar rail and the open end rail. Grab the crossbar rail, the one without the open end, making sure the thicker end is facing towards the bottom, and slide it into the leg assembly tube that will be towards the back of the desk. Next, take the open end rail and insert it into the leg assembly. Now, take the corner leg assembly, line it up with the crossbar rails, and slide the rails in a part of the way. To easily move the frame, it helps to collapse it. Feel free to grab a friend. Now carefully place both desktops facing down and align them with the grommets on the outside, like so. For this demonstration, we are building a desk with a left-hand return, also known as an extension piece, which upside down looks like this. Alternatively, if you've ordered a right-hand return, your configuration will look like this. The frame assembly is the same regardless of the side your desk extension is on. The only difference is how and where it attaches to your desktops. Let's continue. Now we'll attach the 2 support brackets. These hold the desktops together while we get the frame in place and attached to the desktops. Place the support brackets over their corresponding holes and fully attach them to the main desktop using 2 wood screws per bracket. On the return desktop, install only 1 wood screw halfway per bracket. We'll remove these 2 screws later when we flip the desk. Get ready to attach your desk frame to your desktops. Position the 2 leg assembly on the main desktop over their corresponding screw holes. Make sure to use the Phillips head wood screws for the pre-drilled holes without inserts, and use the Phillips head machine screws where metal threaded inserts have been installed. Take 3 of the Phillips head wood screws or machine screws and secure the side bracket to the desktop. Then insert 3 of the same screws on the other side. Before we secure the crossbar and open end rails to the crossbar ends, make sure the rails extend past all screw holes. Now connect the mounting tabs to the desktop with 2 more of the same screws we used to attach the side and corner bracket. Insert 4 short Allen head machine screws into the holes on the corner leg, and 4 more short Allen head machine screws in the holes on the right leg near the center rails, and tighten down all the way with the Allen wrench. Now place the remaining leg assembly onto the end of the return desktop and slide in the crossbar rails, making sure the thicker ends face down towards the desktop. Then slide them into the corner leg assembly, creating the desk frame. Line up the holes on the leg assembly with the holes on your return desktop. Take 4 of the same screws you used to attach the frame to the main desktop and insert them, like so. Before we move on, we're going to attach the control box and the keypad to your desk. Place your control box inside the bars of the corner crossbar end, align it with the pre-drilled holes on the main desktop, and attach it with 2 Phillips head wood screws. Now place the keypad over the pre-drilled holes on the return desktop and attach it using 2 wood screws. In preparation to flip over the desk, slide out the center rails and remove the screws from the connecting brackets. This will make it easier to flip the desk right side up. Now grab a friend to safely turn over the desk. Have your friend grab the corner leg while you grab the outer leg, making sure to hold the desktop and the frame. Now flip the return side over and rest it carefully onto the support brackets on the main desk. If you have a right-hand return, don't worry that your corner crossbar end does not extend past the main desktop. This is normal. Now let's connect the mounting tab of the corner leg assembly to the desk. Then slide the crossbar rails back into the corner crossbar end and make sure the rails extend past all holes just like before. Now go back and secure all support brackets underneath the desk with the wood screws. Insert and tighten down 8 of the short Allen head machine screws using the Allen wrench to secure the center rails. Now connect the leg cables to the legs. Then connect the keypad and leg assemblies to the control box. And finally, connect the control box to a power source. At this point, raise your desk to a level where it's easy to access and organize your cables. Cable management helps keep your cords in order for when you raise and lower your desk. For cleaner wire management, wrangle your cables and route them along your desk frame to get an idea of where to attach your cable ties. Now use the adhesive cable ties to secure them in place. Stick the cable ties to your desk frame for best results. Now let's set your sitting and standing heights. Set your sitting height and also set your standing height by pressing the M button followed by the number you want to assign your height to. Now you can adjust with the press of a button. That's it. You've assembled your desk and you're all set for sitting and standing. Be proud. You're now the owner of an UPLIFT height adjustable 3-leg desk.